Hey y'all, it's Zahir. Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been about 3 days since I've last posted, and I assure you, I have not forgotten about Vlogmas. I'm not stopping. I had to take a brief hiatus because life got crazy. Finals are coming up. Like, literally, finals are today. And I just needed, take a second. However, I have a lot of videos. I haven't stopped filming, I just haven't had time to edit. So y'all are going to be getting all the content, do not worry, and probably extra, because I just can't stop filming. So make sure to stay tuned, and yeah, I really hope you'll enjoy the vlog. And we are now back to regularly scheduled programming. Welcome to the Thanksgiving break vlog. So technically, I'm honestly not even out of school yet. Like, I'm not officially on break, but I have a bunch of stuff to do tonight in regards to tomorrow. And tomorrow looks like it's going to be a pretty fun day. So I thought, why don't y'all just come along with me? Also, I am testing out a new mic for Vlogmas. So this video will be going up during Vlogmas, but guess where I am? It should be no surprise, but Target. I just have to pick some groceries up. Okay. I need just a few things. I need to get 2 different types of flour. And also I need milk. So I'm gonna head to the back of the store, just get that stuff. And there's a chance I might have to be back later for something we're doing later on in the break, but I'm not gonna get anything that I don't need. Okay, so tomorrow in class, we're doing a Chemsgiving. Please hold. So we're doing Chemsgiving tomorrow, and we're also doing like a potluck during newspaper. So I am going to make my signature chai sugar cookies because it's Thanksgiving and I felt like it. Double check. I don't know if I have any. I'm gonna pick some up, but basically for that I just need to get some ingredients and stock the pot so I can make the cookies tonight. They have peppermint mocha granola. I'll wait because I haven't been eating it that much. Alright, I also need 1 thing of cream cheese, so I'm just gonna grab that. And honestly, I think that's all. So I'm gonna head home and then we can start working on the cookies. Oh, I totally just lied because I also need something else. I need rosemary. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I just filmed such a long vlog clip in my room while I was putting clothes away. Cause I was just like putting clothes away, so I was like, why not continue the vlog here? None of that recorded because I didn't have enough storage. So I emptied that. Hopefully that'll work. I definitely do need to go through it before Vlogmas, just because that'll be a lot. But I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. Hello, it's me again. The person you can go watch this for. So I'm just making my normal chai sugar cookies. Watch my Vlogmas on that if you don't know how to make them. But I'm going to finish this. I have some, these are like from earlier, but I'm just gonna pop these over here. And then I'm going to get my remaining dough out of the fridge and let this cool. Pop these in the oven, clean this, work on the icing for this also because that needs to get done. And then we're gonna ice these, let them cool, pack them up for tomorrow, and get a move on. So I just scraped down the sides of the bowls, and as you can see, it's kind of getting to be that like liquidy texture. What I'm going to do now, scrape down the bowl again and turn up the intensity. Right now it's at a 4. We want it to be way more light and fluffy. So what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of each, a little more, increase that intensity and get it to a more whipped consistency. Probably I'm just going to take it up to a 6 and yeah. All right, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to put that into this and then let's check these. Ooh, they're kind of coming together a little bit, but that's okay. I'll separate them when they're out. So officially, the Wicked soundtrack is out, and we're going tomorrow. So let's pick out my outfit. So first, obviously, we're gonna wear my green shorts, and then with that, I have many green shirts. I'm gonna wear this one. It's my Taylor Swift one. It says "Long Live" quotes on it. I just feel like that's very alphabet-y. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you, so I'm gonna wear that. And then with that will be my little fluffy thingy. I know. And then for after school, I have to go obviously see the movie, but I have something beforehand that I have to be kind of dressed up for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fleece Sherpa thing with me so I'm more comfortable during the movie. Anyways, for the little semi-formal casual thing, I'm going to wear this green sweater that I got for my birthday from Aisha. Thanks so much, Aishi. And then I'm going to wear these light green cargos and then my gazelles. And then, obviously, we need pink. So, in here, I have my pink Future Nostalgia tote. For school, I actually do need to take this because I'm taking cookies, obviously, like I said. So, I'm going to put it in here. It's like mini. So, this should fit everything. And yes, so I'm going to do that. Finish putting my clothes away, and then I do have some newspaper work I'm going to do. So, yeah. I don't know the order of when this will go out, obviously. So I don't know if you'll know this, but I'm just going to spoil. I've seen Wicked on Broadway. I got to see it this summer, and it was, oh my gosh. So I'm just going to have the time of my life, and more thoughts to come tomorrow.
That's my line. I know that's how you wear. I'll show you what you should wear. How to fix the hair. Everything that really seems to be that things you like. And if you care less, make sure you wear less. You're dancing through life. And it's a everything is like a philosophy. But what is this feeling? Just, if I think of just you and I, flying there are no further questions. I'm gonna go. Wicked, rated PG-13.
I'm gonna put my clothes away. It is currently 6:42 p.m. I have a little bit before I have to go to get my eyebrows done. I wanted to get a haircut today, but my lady was not working. And yeah, so let's do this. I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I do this, but I'll clip y'all somewhere. Okay, we have the chai sugar cookies I made, brownies, Texas Roadhouse rolls, mac and cheese, chicken minis, cupcakes, mini donuts. Unfortunately, we do still have to work. Like I have, for just a little bit, I have to write that news story.
So, I was eating my meal, which I just
Mukbang.
had 2 rolls, some mac and cheese, a brownie. And then my Capri Sun right here.
I'm gonna go get a Capri Sun. Actually, I have a Coke.
Where did you get that? Oh, how was Chem? Did you make waffles?
I just kind of like, because Cadence wasn't there today.
Oh.
So I was really sad because that's like my only friend in
Should be
town.
friends with you.
Lucky, I would not get one because I would not use it ever in my life.
What do I do?
We are currently shooting the cover. Krista. Clown. A boy. Who is it?
Does anyone
Oh!
No, I'm not. Oh my goodness. Here, I'll hold this for you. No.
My dad's gonna start working from home more and he wants his own like space. So I'm gonna try to start this. It is currently 2:50. At 3 o'clock my hairstylist becomes available. So we're gonna sign up for that also. But let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, it's 2:58. I feel like I'm about to get lines or tickets for like a concert, but I'm going to take all the trash to the recycling. I don't have my mic plugged in right now, so I apologize. But here's the fit. We're going to get our haircut.
I'll do everything I can to get my life back.
Doc, series premiere, January 7th on Fox.
We're about to watch Wicked. You're still here? Wait, hold on, we have time. My name's Sahir, and this is me before Wicked.
Hi, I'm Sivan, and this is me before Wicked.
Hi, I'm Atika.
This is me before Wicked.
Oh my god. Oh, that's my line.
I'm telling you, my heart dropped when I heard that from the parking garage last night. Like, I heard it through my noise canceling AirPods.
Okay, smile.
Oh, so you know what the surprise is? You know?
Yeah, but I don't know when or what.
You don't know when. Movie make the hot I don't know.
Yeah.
My Urdu has started to come out after I've been watching this Pakistani drama. I've been watching it for 2 weeks. Now I've just been yapping in Urdu.
I think you should. What is it?
I don't know.
This round is cool.
Alcohol? So it goes?
Never touch this plum.
Everyone looking OMG. Boldness, guys. Cassandra?
What?
Okay, like,
Aunt Lucy always said.
Cassandra, go on down and
I guessed it.